Hi there, students. The full Monty. Okay, the full Monty means everything included. The whole package, the whole lot, as much as possible. So I want a hamburger with the full Monty, with bacon, with salad, with a fried egg, with cheese, with fried onion, absolutely everything. The full Monty, complete, the whole thing, the full package. Okay, so it includes absolutely everything you could expect it to include. So yeah, I would like a breakfast, an English breakfast, but the full Monty. Yeah, beans, tomato, bacon, sausage, fried bread, chips, baked beans, and a cup of tea. Oh, and don't forget the toast. Okay, so the full Monty. He bought a gaming system, but he with the full Monty, yeah, with all of the equipment, with the best headphones that he could get, etc. So the full Monty, the whole hog, the full amount, the total experience. Now, you're probably going to ask me, what about the film, The Full Monty? Well, yes. We can also use the phrase "the full Monty" to talk about a striptease, taking off your clothes, which involves complete nudity, especially by a man. Okay, so the stripper went the full Monty. Okay, the stripper did the full Monty to strip completely naked. But notice this phrase, the full Monty, doesn't come from this. I think it's become much more popular since the film, and it's got the idea of stripping the whole way, but it still retains this idea of going the whole hog, doing the whole thing, the whole shebang, the whole 9 yards, the whole shooting match. Everything, including everything that you could expect. Yeah, a complete and full set. Okay, so the full Monty. We okay. When we went to buy a TV, we decided to go for the full Monty, and we got a large screen and connected to satellite TV, etc., etc. Or yeah, an ice cream with nuts, with chocolate sauce, with a biscuit. Okay, the full Monty, the whole thing. Okay, or a full orchestra, not just a piano and a violin, but the full Monty, the whole thing, the complete set, the full amount. Yeah, everything that could be desired, everything that could be expected, the whole package. Yeah, I'm not going to buy the basic kit. I'm going to buy the full Monty. Yeah. And also then nudity as well. Okay, so yeah, he was there. He was so drunk that he went the full Monty at the party, meaning nude, naked. Okay, formality, the full Monty. I think I'm going to give it a 4 in formality. Use informally, use in a semi-formal conversation, a semi-formal writing, but certainly no more. And then as to origin. Okay, well, you've got the film, The Full Monty, which is about some men in Sheffield who decide to form a male striptease act. And they go the full Monty. They strip the whole way. But as I said, this phrase is older than that. Let's see. It either relates to the full Monty, a full cooked English breakfast, um, which is the breakfast that was insisted on by Field Marshal Montgomery, the full Monty. Yeah, and that would be one explanation. Or also, there was a, I'm not sure if it still exists. Burton's suits. There was Montague Burton. He opened a set of clothing shops, and they had made to measure clothing. And if you buy a three-piece suit, jacket, waistcoat and trousers, that was known as the full Monty. He was Montague Burton. So I think the Montague Burton suit is probably the oldest of these three, but it may come from somewhere else as well. So the full Monty, to go the full Monty, to go the whole hog, everything, the whole lot, the full range of possibilities. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. The full Monty.